The U.S. Department of Justice is taking Texas to court over a controversial tool that the state has deployed to deal with migration as part of Operation Lone Star.
It's a legal battle that we've been expecting to see for days. KVUE's Ford Sanders joins us now in studio. And Ford, both the feds and Governor Greg Abbott seem to be ready for a very long fight.
Quita, Brian, the DOJ gave Governor Abbott a deadline of 1 p.m. today to remove the buoys the state placed in the Rio Grande River. Well, these are the main focus of the lawsuit, as the DOJ says these buoys violate federal and international law.
Billions of dollars have gone into Operation Lone Star, Governor Greg Abbott's program to stop the inflow of illegal migration at the Texas-Mexico border, including the installation of these buoys in the Rio Grande River.
This is a shock the conscience low moment for Texas.
On Monday, the U.S. Department of Justice made good on its threat to sue Texas over those buoys. White House Press Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre saying federal border enforcement efforts are working better than the states.
And what you see the governor doing is dangerous and unlawful, and it's actually hurting the process. It's hurting the process of what we're trying to do.
In a response letter, Governor Abbott wrote to President Joe Biden Monday, quote, "If you would just enforce the immigration laws Congress already has on the books, America would not be suffering from your record-breaking level of illegal immigration." Austin area Congressman Lloyd Doggett says the DOJ's action is a crucial step, but he wants to see more from the feds.
They should have sent the U.S. Marshal or the Corps of Engineers or whoever down there and take out an illegally placed barrier in the middle of an international water.
The lawsuit outlines the defendant, the state of Texas, as being responsible for the cost of removal of these buoys, passing the bill to Texas taxpayers.
It's just more millions of dollars that should have gone into making our own neighborhoods safer, and our teachers have the pay that they deserve.
Austin-based immigration attorney Kate Lincoln Goldfinch says legal precedent is clear. The state does not have power over the federal government in matters of immigration or the national border.
What Abbott is doing clearly on its face violates the Rivers and Harbors Act, and Abbott's letter in response citing certain cases and clauses of the Constitution are all actually irrelevant and don't apply in the situation.
Governor Abbott started his letter he sent to the president today by saying, "Texas will see you in court, Mr. President." Abbott also brought up what he feels is the lack of response from the Biden administration in other border-related areas like cartel violence, fentanyl response, and more. And as this legal fight begins, many legal analysts say this whole case is almost certainly destined to end up in the U.S. Supreme Court. Quita, Brian.